Hello and welcome to the Studio Brootle video. Here I'm going to run down this preset pack I've made for Ableton Live. It's a dub techno construction kit. I'll go into all the details in a sec, but if you want to get it, use the discount code in the description below because it'll be for quite a bit off. So yeah, definitely use that, and please like and subscribe when you're there. It does help us out. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically I made this dub techno chord. This is the main part of the thing of the pack with loads of macros up front. You can see down here. I'll go through them all individually in a minute, and then I've just basically made everything else you need. So you've got a swirling pad like that in the background. I'll go through that in detail, and all of these are synthesized from scratch. That is a massive sub bass. I don't know if you can hear that. You need good headphones, and then a clap, some hats, dubby hats, and a sort of 909ish dub techno kick. And so yeah, you get all of these. There's six racks, all with macros. Like you can see, you've got all these controls for the kick. Everything's got loads of macros set up front, so you can control the most important things there. So yeah, basically I'll run through the big things first, the most important things. So this is the main thing, the chord, which is, I'll pop the wavetable up so you can see it. That's basically the rack. It's got like this sort of moving LFO, so you can sort of cut the top and the end off, and it's really wide. You've got left and right movement before it hits delays. There's two of them, some vinyl crackle, some early reverb, and of course this sort of sawtooth based, this detuned dub techno chord at the start. Basically yeah, everything you need. There's a chord thing here as well, so you just have to play one MIDI note into it, which is pretty good. If you switch it off, that's just a one note playing into it, and it will just convert that into a chord. So yeah, these are the macros. You've got filter frequency, resonance, so you can filter drive. There's lots of little distortions, decay, so you can make it longer. The LFO amount, this adds in a little bit of randomness on LFO2, which is sample and hold. So it's just like a random waveform, adding in a few bits of the synth, like the oscillator effects and filter, just so they're constantly moving. Oscillator 2 effect, that's quite a nice thing to tweak. That is the fold, which is quite a nice effect on these oscillator effects that you get on wavetable. There's crackle, which if I turn can you hear that? It's like a noisy, like vinyl crackle in the background. There's unison. Let me turn up the filter so you can really detune it. And then there's like all the dub techno sort of spatial effects, like reverb here. You can mix the reverb and echoes, so they're sort of off, and you can play with the rhythm. All that sort of stuff. See, that's basically it. Obviously you can tweak everything else, but the most important macros up the front there. This pad, I quite like this pad. You've got here, it's really noisy, like a sort of arctic sounding pad. It's the same chord, I think, as the other one. Yeah, you can change these chord units obviously, and basically this pad is I won't go through it in total. You can just you can see most of it from here, but basically it runs through a vocoder that gives it like a really glistening watery effect, which is quite nice. If I turn it up, it's like vocoding it with noise basically. And I'll just tweak some of these macros. This has got vinyl crackle as well. And you can just get it. And you can get it sort of nasty, and I'll put all them back. So yeah, that's the pad. Sort of noisy, sort of windswept pad. And yeah, then also there's dub techno sub bass, which is sort of really wobbly low sub bass. I hope you can hear that. And it's got a bit of delay as well on it. and that's got a few macros as well. So you've got you can control the drive of it and stuff as well. Like, there's loads of drive. You can get too much, but it's basically a sort of dub, delay, echo, and yeah, then a clap made out of noise. It's totally synthesized, and it's got a nice early reverb on it, which is really metallic. And then I've got some hats which are sort of 909, 808 modelled. Again, they've got this nice metallic reverb on it. And it's probably a bit much, I'll turn that down. And the kick, which is like a 909 kick, but you've got the macros as well to sort of make it bang if you want. But also, you can. The trick is with this is to overly distort it, but then filter it down. But yeah, you've got all the controls there: time, pitch, envelope, and quite a few different distortions and stuff. So yeah, that's it. You've got the kick, hats, clap, really low dub reggae sort of style sub bass, cold swirling sort of arctic pad, and dub techno chord. So yeah, everything you need basically for a dub techno track. And so yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you find this useful. I hope you can use it in your music. Like I said, there will be a discount code in the description below, so definitely use that if you're going to get it. So yeah, that's it from me. Have a good day and good luck with your music making. Take care. Goodbye.